Next topic is method of undetermined coefficients. Okay, undetermined coefficient means the coefficients in the polynomial a0, an minus 1, etc. up to a0, they are not given, and the polynomial also not given. It may be mentioned as a quadratic polynomial or cubic polynomial or fourth degree polynomial, and some of the conditions satisfied the given polynomial is also given. With respect to the conditions, okay, we have to eliminate the coefficients one by one, and finally we have to write the polynomial. That is called as method of undetermined coefficients. But the exercise problems are very easy one. We can solve the exercise 2.7, that is not similar to that one. So first question is factorize x power 4 plus 1. The hint is also given. Try completing the square. So write the first term as x square the whole square plus 1. Already told you a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So assume a equal to x square and b equal to 1. So we need 2ab. So a equal to 1, a equal to x square, b equal to 1. Then 2ab is nothing but 2x square. So add and subtract 2x square. Okay. Now combine these three terms. First term, second term and fourth term. X square the whole square plus 2x square plus 1. It is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. It can be written as a plus b the whole square. So a is x square, b is 1. So x square plus 1 the whole square. Remaining minus 2x square. It can be written as root 2 into x the whole square. It is of the form a square minus b square. It is a plus b into a minus b. So a is x square plus 1, b is root 2x. Here plus b minus b. So that is, so we factorize. Okay. So we are using two identities, a plus b the whole square, a square minus b square. Okay. Question number 2 is, if x square plus x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial 3x cube plus 8x square plus 8x plus a, then find out the value of a. Okay. So simple, if x square plus x plus 1 is a factor of a polynomial means it divides the polynomial. So use the division method, and it divides means the remainder is 0. If it is a factor of the polynomial, if we are dividing this one by, if we are dividing the polynomial by that factor, the remainder is 0. So we are using that concept. Now x square plus x plus 1, we need 3x cube. So in the quotient we have to put 3x. So 3x into x square, 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x. So change the sign. It is 5x square, 5x plus a. Okay. So plus 5. So 5x square plus 5x plus 5. So change the sign, a minus by. It is a factor means it divides the polynomial. The remainder is always 0. So a minus 5 is 0. A equal to 5 is the required value. So here the topic is rational function. The main aim is to solve the rational inequalities. So already it is present in the first chapter. A function is defined as f of x equal to some p of x by q of x, where b of x and q of x both are polynomials. Then it is called as rational function. So if we consider the two polynomials p of x and q of x, okay. So p of x and q of x both are polynomials. If p of x by q of x is called as the rational expression, okay, where q of x is not equal to 0. So if the rational expression, look at the denominator, if the degree of the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator, then the rational expression can be expressed as some other thing, okay, some q of x, okay, plus or some g of x plus r of x by q of x, okay. So this is the quotient and remainder. This r of x may be 0 or less than, the degree is less than q of x. So like improper fraction to mixed fraction, the same format, okay. So rational expression can be written like that if the degree of the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. Now our aim is to deal with the rational inequality. Either p of x by q of x is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, that are called as rational inequalities. Now how can we solve the rational inequality? Okay, so it is with the sign of the rational expression. Okay, so for example, if p of x is a polynomial equate to 0, find out the roots. Suppose it has 2 roots. Okay, and similarly equate the denominator to 0 and find out the roots of the denominator. It may be 1. For example, alpha, beta are the roots of the numerator and gamma is the root of the denominator. Now divide the real line into, so alpha, maybe beta and gamma. So now the real line is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 intervals, sub-intervals. Now put any values from each of the interval in the rational expression. If you want, you can substitute. For example, this is some 1, this is some 4, this is some 5 means. Okay, so put any value between minus infinity to plus 1 in p of x and q of x separately and decide the sign. Okay, if the rational expression, okay, positive sign, suppose if you are putting, okay, if you are getting positive sign, here we are getting negative sign, here positive sign, here negative sign, we are getting the sign. Okay, put any value from the interval, the sign of the rational expression is, or the value is positive, maybe negative, positive, negative. Okay, suppose the inequality is greater than 0. Okay, greater than 0 means the solution lie on the positive intervals. So we have to take first and third interval, first interval union third interval. If this only greater than, we have to put open bracket. We can no need to include this alpha. Suppose equal to sign is there, we have to include this alpha. Similarly, we have to include this beta. Okay, so the x belongs to first interval union third interval. Suppose it is less than 0 means it lies in the negative interval. Okay, less than means simply put open interval. So alpha, open interval alpha comma beta union open interval gamma comma infinity. So likewise we can decide the solution set. Okay, now our aim is to solve rational inequalities. Okay, so find all the possible values of x for x square into x minus 1 by x minus 2 greater than 0. Already told you. So find out the roots of the numerator and denominator separately. So we are getting, if we equate x square to 0, we are getting x equal to 0. If we equate x minus 1 equal to 0, we are getting x equal to 1. Okay, by equating x equal to x minus 2 equal to 0, we are getting x equal to 2. Okay, now divide the real line, minus infinity, 0, 1, 2 and plus infinity. Okay, okay, now look at here, between these two put any value. For example, minus 1, the sign is, okay, for before that we have to write the interval. Okay, so x cube term x minus 1, the product of the two, that means numerator p of x, then the denominator q of x, then p of x by q of x. Finally our aim is to decide the sign of the factors in the each interval. So first minus infinity to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to plus infinity. It is 4 intervals. So if we put x equal to any interval, any value from this interval, for example x equal to minus 1, it is negative. Okay, and again if we put x equal to minus 1, it is also negative. So negative into negative, positive, it is the product of the two. Okay, and once again if we put x equal to minus 1, negative. Okay, so what about the sign of the rational? So positive by negative, negative. So first sign of the first interval is, okay, we have decide, okay. So negative. Next, put any value from 0 to 1. For example, 0.1 or maybe anything. So first interval positive, second interval negative, positive into negative, negative, third interval negative. So negative by negative, positive. Okay. Similarly, put 1.5. So positive, positive, positive into positive, positive. This is negative, positive by negative, negative. Next, greater than 3. Put any value greater than 3. Positive. Okay. So what about this one? Positive, positive, positive. So the total positive. So negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay. So what about the value? It is greater than 0, greater than 0. The rational inequality, rational expression is greater than 0. So the solution x belongs to this interval union, that one. So here the solution is x belongs to open 0, 1 union 2, infinity. Because only greater than, if there is equality, we have to put close interval. We have to include 0 and 1, also 2, not the infinity. Exercise 2.8, question number 2. Find all the values of x satisfying the inequality 2x minus 3 by x minus 2 into x minus 4 less than 0. Okay, as usual, equate numerator, the polynomial in the numerator and polynomial in the denominator separately. So for example, if we equate this numerator to 0, we are getting x equal to 3 by 2, x equal to 2, x equal to 4, as like the previous question. So now the real line 3 by 2 means 1.5, okay, and 2, 4 and plus infinity. So now again it is divided into 4 subintervals. So minus infinity, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 to 2, okay, 2 to 4 and 4 to infinity. So once again decide the sign of each factor in the numerator and denominator. For example, if you put 1 here, so 1 means negative, so again negative, okay. So wait a minute student, it is not correct. So what about that? Sin of x minus 2 into x minus 4 again by 2x minus 3 by x minus 2 into x minus 4. Our aim is to decide the sign, okay. So again it is negative, negative into negative, positive, okay. Again negative by positive, negative, okay. Next, between these two, put any one value, that means less than 2. For example, 1.6. 1.6 means 2 into 1.6, 3, more than 3. So we are getting positive, but here negative, negative, negative into negative, positive, okay. So positive by positive, again positive, okay. So next, between 2 and 4, put any value. For example, 3. So positive, positive, negative, positive into negative, negative, positive by negative, negative. Most probably the alternate sign. First you have to carefully find out the first sign of the first interval. Next it must be in the alternate order, okay. So greater than 4. So positive, positive, positive. So all the things are positive. So negative, positive, negative, positive. So obviously, okay. So look at here the inequality. Look at the rational expression. So it is less than 0. Less than 0 means don't include these two values, and it lies in the first interval union third interval. So x belongs to minus infinity, 3 by 2 union 2, 4. All x square minus 4 divided by x square minus 2x minus 15 less than or equal to 0. So to obtain the solutions of the numerator and denominator separately, we can make it into factors. So it is of the form a square minus b square a plus b into a minus b. So product is minus 15, addition is minus 2. So minus 5 plus 3. So x minus 5 into x plus 3. Once again equate to 0 numerator and denominator separately. We are getting x equal to minus 2, x equal to 2, x equal to 5, x equal to minus 3. Again the real line is divided into first minus 3, minus 2, then 2, 5, then infinity. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is divided into 5 subintervals. So minus infinity comma minus 3, minus 3 to minus 2, minus 2 to 2, 2 to 5 and 5 to infinity. So now decide the sign of the factors in each interval. For example, if you put x equal to minus 4, so positive minus 4 the whole square. So 16 minus 12 positive. Here put minus 4. So again positive. Positive by positive, positive. So again, once again you can find out as like the previous question. Okay. So in the, for example, put minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 means again it is greater than 4. So we are getting plus. Okay. So here negative. So positive by negative, negative, and minus 2 to 2. For example, if you put 0, 0 means negative, negative, negative by negative, positive. Okay. In the third interval 2 to 5. For example, put 3. So positive. So 9. So negative. So positive by positive, negative, negative. Again greater than 5. For put 6. Positive. Here 36, minus 12. Okay, again positive. So positive by positive, positive. So here it is in the alternate sign, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Okay, so look at here, less than or equal to. Here carefully we have to add this end values. Okay, so less than or equal to means which interval they are negative. So mark these two. So the solution is x belongs to, here equal sign is there, therefore include the end values, belongs to my closed interval minus 3 comma minus 2 union closed 2 comma. So second interval, in the fourth interval if you put 5, then the denominator, so 25 minus 10 minus 15, it becomes 0. So exclude this 5. So closed minus 3 comma minus 2 union closed to but open 5.